The plot is established, and now we are ready to begin the wetland inventory. Be careful to minimize trampling within the plot. It is ideal if only one or two people walk the plot while a third person records data on the Releve data sheet. Begin at corner number 1 and walk just inside the plot toward corner number 2, identifying plants as you go. Remember, plants rooted outside of the plot but have stems or leaves extending over into the plot should be counted. Proceed around the remaining edge of the plot. Here's another one. Eladia. After passing corner number 4, go about 1/3 of the way down the side of the plot and cut through to the opposite side to observe the vegetation in the interior. When you get to the opposite side, move down another 1/3 of that side and cut through the plot again. Finally, return to corner number 1. Plants should be identified to the genus level. Use the wetland plant identification key included in your WHEP vegetation guide to help make identifications. The Releve datasheet contains a listing of the common plant genera you are likely to encounter. They are listed alphabetically by descriptive groups to aid your recording. There are also blank spaces provided to record plants that are not already listed. Record the genera you encounter by checking the present box next to each genera. The plant inventory should now be complete. In very dense emergent vegetation, it may be necessary to do a third interior path. Also, if you have a 5 by 20 meter plot shape, 4 to 5 interior paths may be necessary. In our plot, a few plants that we found were 2 different species of scirpus, or bulrush, and sparganium, or burr reed. The final step is to estimate the abundance of the plants present in the plot. To do this, we are going to use what are called cover classes. Cover is the proportion or percentage of the plot taken up by a specific plant when looking straight down on the plot. Our cover estimates have been simplified by using percent cover ranges. Determine the cover class, or CC, for each plant found in the plot, and record this in the corresponding CC box in the Releve datasheet. For example, the group has determined that scirpus, or bulrush, covers somewhere between 50 and 75% of the plot. Scirpus would therefore receive a cover class value of 5. Record this value in the column labeled CC. Repeat this process for each plant found in the plot. The plant survey is now complete. You can now move ahead and score the vegetation IBI and complete the wetland assessment.